So here's the finished product. Just look at that plate of food. Actually looks nice. First a couple of chicken pieces. And then a bit more than a cup of rice. I mixed the soup with 4 cups of water to add water to the rice as well, so that I can have enough. Then all in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And I decided to add some thick white onion soup from Knorr. Except the chicken is a bit on the pale side, but remember I added white onion soup, so that's why it's so white. So as I always say, it's all in the taste. The chips I made by putting 2 potatoes, medium potatoes, in the microwave and cooking them just as is for about 4 or 5 or 6 minutes. So it depends on what microwave you have. And then cut it into slices. And then after that, I deep fried it. And I tell you, it's the way I love chips, to be honest. So it's only the taste, as I always say. It's really nice. The salad I made with tomato that I cut into pieces. Cheese, cheddar cheese, because I didn't have gouda. There's little cocktail onions, the green ones I took today. And also some lettuce and some balsamic vinegar. I love balsamic vinegar on my salad. So, goes perfect together. And then the rice. I don't know how the rice would taste, because I've never made this before. The first time for everything. Here it goes. You can taste the soup, as well as you taste some chicken in it. It's very nice. And then the chicken itself. Let's try it. Okay, here goes. The chicken is okay, but the chicken is not as I thought it would be, but it's really okay. In fact, the food is actually very delicious. Till next time guys, love you all, see you.